What's up, guys? Today on Buchanan Drafting Solutions, I'm going to show you how to download a 3D modeling program through Autodesk for free for life. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay guys, what you're going to do first off is you've got to go to Autodesk.com because they're the company that gives the software for free. And whenever you get on Autodesk, go up to the top to All Products and click on that. And whenever that page loads, scroll down until you find Fusion 360, select it. And then you'll go to Download Free Trial. Whenever you click on Download Free Trial, it'll redirect you in and it'll show you the options for your free trial. If you're commercial use, which is considered to make over $100,000 a year, you'll have to pay for it. But if you're a hobbyist or a startup company that's wanting to get into 3D modeling, or a student, students get 3 years for free, where a non-commercial use, it only gets 1 year. But as far as I've heard, and for the past 3 years that I've been playing around with it, it's been free, period. So all you have to do is at the end of your service, you have to go in and redo this step. Whenever it pulls up, you'll have to resubscribe, renew your subscription, all that good stuff. But then it brings you into activating your license and gives you 3 steps for going ahead and getting started. All you do is download the free trial, sign into your account, and then up at the top, you go to where it says term ends in 30 days, click on it, and then it'll give you an option to choose a non-commercial use, and then you've got Fusion 360 for free for 365 days from then. So I hope that this really helps people get started doing 3D modeling, because I know a lot of people that they 3D print and want to get into it and start doing their own designs, but SolidWorks is a $1,200 program. Inventor is a $1,200 program. You've got was it Tinkercad, something like that. There's a bunch of free softwares out there that they're decent, but they don't have the features that an actual developed 3D rendering software would have. Where in Fusion 360 you can do CAD, you can do CAM, you can do 3D modeling, generative design if you want to. You can create your own renders of the products that you've drawn and created to see what they would look like in real life. It's just a pretty powerful program for somebody that's just getting started, getting their feet wet in the 3D modeling area. And I think it's really good because the product development happens so fast, because there's so many more people that will download a free program to use and play around with, rather than a 30-day trial to a $1,200 program that after your 30 days are up, you've either got to buy the software or create another account. It's ridiculous how fast they push updates out for Fusion 360, and it's continually changing and evolving, and in turn helping Inventor evolve, because it's all the same company. They get the same feedback and implement the same tools. I play around with it. That's what I have on my computer at home. This is what I do all my 3D rendering with at home, because, I mean, I'm not going to pay $1,200 for SolidWorks to just play around and do little rink-dink 3D models and small stuff like that at home. Guys, if you found anything useful out of this video today, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. It really helps out the channel a lot. It helps me to be able to make more videos to help you in the future. That's about all I've got today. Get in there, download Fusion 360, and play around with it a little bit. It's a cloud-based software. Doesn't take a lot of computing power to get anything done with it. So use that to your advantage, guys. As always, have a nice day.